What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your theme on Steam fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All what you need to do guys, just sign on your Steam and open your profile in right corner. Click here view my profile and go here edit profile and you will see here theme. Click this and choose your theme what you love, like summer, midnight or cosmic. And go here save. If you want to get this profile background, just move it up, you will see profile background. Click this and you have here some default from your games. If you want to have like me this cool background, you need to pay it with your points in store shop. Go here in store and click point shop. And you can buy here also animated profile pictures and also cool backgrounds. To get these points you need to buy games or buy chests in CS2. And that's it all guys, how to change theme and profile background on your Steam fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.